Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Welcome fellows of KC as well as Kigali-Engineers-College. I am happy to be with you. Today's session we are going to talk about the dishwasher. It's a machine used to wash the plates and other things in the kitchen. So we are going to see where the electrical power source comes from, water supply, and how you can operate, how you can use it. So it is the first time to visit our platform of KC as well as Kigali-Engineers-College. You make sure you subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. First of all, there is the main part of this dishwasher. So the first one, there is this control board, two buttons. There are power switch and also the cleaning. This button is for cleaning, start or stop. This red button is for power on our machine. So you see, now is power off. So there is here the door where you can tilt it up. So you see it very well. This is the chamber where you can plate, cups, and other things in the kitchen. You can put the plate inside here. You insert it where the arranged order, and also after you finish putting your plate here, you come and put inside here. This is sink where you use it for one thing which is stronger like oil and other things. You use this sink and you insert your plate here, arrange on the order. So after you insert, you put near like this. So and also our plate come from here up to that side. So let's close. Yeah, then turn on our machine. You see it is turned on, and also press start cleaning. Before you press here, it will suck the water and fill the tank inside here. Fill the tank. When it is full of the water at maximum level, it just stop sucking water. And also that time it is the time you are allowed to press here, allow the pump to pump the hot water for cleaning our plates. So let's wait a moment for filling the water in the tank until it's enough level. So let's wait a moment. And also when we press on the screen, this plate inside there is mechanical linkage that pull this and drive it until here, where it cross inside with the pressure of the hot water and the cleaning. Those pressurized water is the one for cleaning the plate and the cups and the other things. So let's wait a moment. It is the first time to visit our platform of KC as well as Kigali-Engineers-College. You make sure you subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. So this is the time for pressing your cleaning. You just press on it. You see, and you put your you see it pull it until you see this is how it was. You pull it until it reach here. This is the hot water. This is the how the plate is cleaning. So now the plate finished cleaning it. Um, you finish cleaning it and the cycle you repeat the cycle, the same cycle you put here. So we finish up. So it finish washing, and we just insert these things. And also we just insert it very well. So thank you so much. I think you get the something. This how you can operate this machine of dishwasher. So I hope you get the central things. So if it is the first time to visit our platform of KC as well as Kigali-Engineers-College, you make sure you subscribe, comment, and share to your friends. So thank you so much. Shall we meet next time? Thank you.